Okay, so let's do a very quick what's in my bag video, since some of you guys might be curious on what I carry on a day-to-day basis at university. First, I have my umbrella, which is very much needed on a rainy season. And then on my pouch, I have my favorite pens that I use on a daily basis. And then I also have my power bank. So this is needed for my phone that dies really quickly. And then I have my notepad. So this is where I write down my daily to-do and reminders. And of course, alcohol for sanitizing. And then over at my main bag or main compartment, I have my pouch for when I have to carry my other stationery materials like my scissors and then my stapler, sharpener, and other stuff. And then I also carry my Sony headphones when I need to lock in at library or when I have vacant hours that I can use to spend time to study. I use this because of the very good noise cancelling feature. And then I have my notebook. Now this is something that I don't particularly use very often, but it's good to have one just in case. And then I also have my iPad. Now the iPad case is really worn down, as you can see, but I really like it because it has a feature that allows me to make it like a laptop because of the keyboard case. So I like it. It's very compact and multi-purpose. This is what I also use whenever I study for review and quizzes. And then of course I have my very dear friend, my MacBook. This is something I use on a daily basis. This is something that I use for school, for academics, and for personal use, really. I love working on my MacBook because it has a really long battery life, so it allows me to work for longer hours. And then I have my wallet. Now this is something that's quite old. I've had this for about a year now, and yeah, I don't have much on it. It's good, it's plain, and it does its job. And then yeah, that's pretty much what's in my bag. It's very simple, but it's practical.